Hey there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and we're here looking at the S&P 500 E-mini future. This is the benchmark average, the future on the benchmark average, the big stock average in here for the US, the top 500 companies in the US, and the market very much in here rejecting this more recent negative terms. We did see this sell-off in here last week, taking out some notable supports, taking out this trend line in here, and worrying the market on the back of the fact that we had these kind of mixed signals coming out of the US-China trade talks from both sides. Trump saying he could increase tariffs if a deal wasn't done. The Chinese saying that they would need to see tariffs rolled back before any deal was done. So the market was kind of had some nerves in here, and we did see this setback through some support and looking like a small topping pattern. But we held above important support here at 30.8175, rebounding from 30.9075, and then we see a decent rebound into the end of last week. But then the beginning of this week, over the last 36 hours, has seen a strong push higher, initially with a bull gap to start the week. The gap at 31.16.5 to 31.14.5 here. So the market gapping higher to start the week on Monday, and then a strong push through the session yesterday, and then overnight we've had this spike higher. The market just sitting below the peak here at 31.32.5 overnight, and then spiking up through that peak up to 31.45 as we go into the overnight session in here on further positive news from the US-China trade talks in here. A top level call between chief negotiators in here, rumoured overnight, and to hammer out final details, and that sent the stock prices higher globally, and seen the S&P 500 hit a new all-time high on the futures contract here at 31.45. Despite the setback, we're still seeing upside pressures in here, and we do look for a retest of 31.45 and 31.50 and potentially higher targets into today. Really, the market's going to have to surrender the bull gap in here to actually shift to a more negative tone again. This has been Steve Miley for FX Explained. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, and as always, have a great trading day.